This morning, a report in a newspaper of a spook at Raisina Hill raised alarm bells which were doused just as fast. Within hours, the entire establishment dismissed any such fears. The report, incidentally based on an army movement just a day after Army Day celebrations, appears to be a case of a wrong conclusion being drawn out of very little fact.
This morning, a leading newspaper reports of a non-notified army troop movement that spooked New Delhi. The report trashed by the Defence Minister.
Absolutely baseless. Absolutely baseless. Army has already explained this. It's a usual, natural activities.
The newspaper traces events back to January 16th when the Indian Army Chief filed a writ petition against the government's opinion on his date of birth. The paper alludes to something sinister on the same night, a non-notified army of the army columns to New Delhi. The report says a heavily mechanized infantry unit of the 33 Mechanized Division in Hisar moves 150 kilometers towards Delhi, a move they say was not notified. On the same night, a column of the 50 Independent Para Brigade in Agra made its way close to Palam Air Base via Bahadurgarh Arms Depot. The two moves, as claimed by the report, spooking the government. But the facts contradict the report. A 16th March media report talks of a regular operation by the Para Brigade on the night of 16 January. A post-operation briefing by the Para Commander confirming that.
जो ट्रूप्स ये काम कर रहे हैं ये पैरास के हैं, ये वेल ट्रेन्ड ट्रूप्स हैं अपने इंडियन आर्मी के और हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं, अलग अलग जगह पर अपनी ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, अलग अलग जगह जा जाकर अपनी ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, हमेशा हर हालात के लिए अपने को तैयार रखते हैं.
The report posed some questions, answered by facts once again.
It is only kept in the loop in the event that the unit concerned is taking on an operation with a neighboring country or outside India. The intention wasn't to alert Pakistan because the other direction of the road coming out of Hisar and moving towards the Indo-Pak border in the hours of darkness and foggy weather would have alerted certain Pakistani spies. The Air Force is to be kept informed if an airlift capability is required by the Parachute Brigade or units of the Parachute Brigade in Agra, but operationally paratroopers are expected to perform a number of other tactical military engagements and duties.
Clearly, a regular operation by the army was blown into something it wasn't. With a complete tarnishing of the report, the chapter on this can be considered closed.
Absolutely baseless.
Bureau Report, Times Now.